Hey everyone, today I'm going to build a budget tracker live right now with no subscriptions, no signing up to some expensive app, and the idea is you put in your income and your bills and it shows you exactly what you've got left at the end of the month. So by the end of this, you'll know exactly how to build one of these yourself with no coding knowledge needed. So let's get into it. Okay, so first things first, I'm in Claude and I'm just going to type in, build me a budget tracker where I enter my monthly income and add my bills and it shows what's left over. Now, I also wanted to build in HTML just because this will make the process so much quicker and we can get this live much faster. So I'm gonna hit enter and see what Claude does. Okay, so now it has built a budget tracker app. So we can quickly give it a go and we can enter our monthly income. Let's just say it's 2,500. Let's also add a bill, so we'll just call it Wi-Fi, £25, add that, and it seems to be working, which is great. The only thing is, I'm not a fan of the colors, so I'm just gonna say change color scheme to be dark mode and primary color to be yellow. Okay, perfect. So it's pretty much done what I said, so I'm happy to move on to the next step. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna go over and download the HTML file, and we're going to open TinyHost. Now, what TinyHost will let us do is go live pretty much within seconds, and I will show you how fast. We'll click upload file, upload the budget tracker, give it a name. Let's be creative and call it budget tracker. Publish, and literally within seconds we're live. We can view the link and it's live on site. So technically that's it. I can send it to my iPhone, I can view it on any device I'm using, wherever I'm going. As long as I have Wi-Fi, I can use it. It's as simple as that. Now, let's just give it one more go. Let's say rent is $1,000 a month. Let's say Wi-Fi is £25. And let's just say we have groceries, which are £200 a month. And our monthly income, like I said, 2,500, and it gives us a summary, which is pretty much exactly what we want. Now, we can make it a lot more advanced if we really wanted to, but I'm going to keep it simple just for this video. Now, again, TinyHost is incredible because if we wanted to keep this very private, we can update the files, just click update, and we can go in, we can scroll down and just click password protected if we wanted to keep it private and just make sure that no one can use the app. We can also capture emails. So if we wanted to turn this into an application and share it with people, we can get emails to know exactly who's downloading it, create a mailing list. There's so many things you can do with it. You can also go into analytics. So the great thing about this is if it's a live website that you wanted to share with people, you can see unique visitors, bounce rates, visit duration, total page views, maybe even if you want to see in real time what's happening. And then also you can see where in the world people are using it and also what desktop, mobile, what device they're using it on. So there's so much data you can use. Another thing is QR codes. If I wanted one of my friends to use this, I can literally just send them this QR code that I generated within seconds. A lot of places you have to buy another subscription for QR codes, so it just makes life 10 times easier. And our end was saying that the publish to custom domain is incredible as well. You can literally buy a domain. So if I wanted to change this to budgetforme.com, I can see if this is available and I can purchase that domain all within the app, all within TinyHost to make things easy. So there it is, you can see how quickly I got it live. And there it is, a working budget tracker built live with Claude and hosted on TinyHost. And there's no subscription in sight. So comment the first thing you'd budget for. And if you found this video useful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel to learn more about vibe coding and how to utilize AI. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.